Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I did this super cute rainbow look. I was just in the mood to play with colors, so that's exactly what I did. Before I ramble on for too long, we are going to go ahead and jump right into the video. But before we do, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel down below and hit the notification bell right next to it so you get notified anytime I upload a new video. Now, if you would like to see how I got this look, then go ahead and keep on watching. So I've already primed my eyes with the MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot, and then I just set it with Patrick's powder. Now I'm going to jump into the Take Me Back to Brazil palette by BH Cosmetics. And with my Morphe M441, I'm going to jump into this yellow shade right here. And I'm going to start laying this down as my transition shade. I've never used this color before, so I'm pretty excited. I don't think I've ever done a yellow look before, actually. Or never incorporated yellow into my look. Now I'm going to take a Morphe M518 and I'm going to go into this orange shade right here. And I'm going to put this in the crease. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a Morphe M433 and I'm going to dip into this like magenta shade right here. And I'm going to put this even lower into the crease. Now jumping back into the orange with the M518 just to blend that shade out, and we kind of lost the orange using that shade. So this will help bring it back. Now I'm going to take the Morphe 321 brush and I'm going to dip into this really pretty true purple color. I'm going to push this on my outer V. Ooh, that is pigmented. Now I'm going to take my lightest concealer that I have right now, and it is Tarte Shape Tape in Fair Neutral. Just going to put a little bit on the back of my hand, and I'm going to clean up the lid space just on the inner half of the eye. Now from the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe palette, I'm going to take this shade right here, and I'm just packing this on my inner corners. Now I'm going to go back into the yellow and put that right next to it. And the orange. And the pinky shade. And finally, the purple. Now that all of those colors are blended together on my lid, I'm really liking this look. I think what I'm actually going to do is jump back into this yellow shade, and I'm going to put a little bit more just on the edges here because I feel like the orange is kind of taking it over, and I'm kind of digging the yellow, so that's what we gonna do. Now I'm just going to jump in and do my face makeup really fast using the Nars Shine and Pore Control Primer. And also using the Nars Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. A little bit of the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. just taking some Patrick's powder and setting all of that concealer. But I'm not baking. Just pressing it all in. Now I'm going in with just a little bit of my IT Cosmetics Celebration Foundation Illumination to add a little bit more of like a natural skin type of vibe. Because I don't like my skin to be too matte. So this just adds a little bit of shine, but not like glitter, just a little bit of a sheen back to the face. Taking my Tarte Clay Play palette and dipping into Desert and contouring like I normally do. And finally adding some more life back into my face with my butter bronzer. All of this is pretty much what I do every time I do my makeup. Now I'm just going to spray my face with the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water. And before that is completely dry, I'm going to go in with my Amrezy highlighter. It is so beautiful. Now for the lower lash line, we're going to incorporate our blues and our greens. So I'm going to dip into this green right here, and I'm going to start running this on my lower lash line. And I'm kind of dragging the green out here underneath what we did on the top, just to bring it all together. For the blue, I'm going to go into this blue shade right here. And I'm going to push this really, really close to my lower lash line. And again, with this shade, I am bringing it up and connecting it to that almost like a little wing. I'm going back in with that green just to blend out the edges and make sure we can still see it. Now I'm just dipping into my Maybelline gel liner. I feel like it lasts longer than regular eyeliners do, so I'm going to put this in my waterline. And just like that, we are back with eyebrows and lashes. Now we're going to move on to the lips. I'm first going to go in with my NYX lip liner in Nude Truffle, and I'm just going to start outlining my lips. Now I'm just going to start dragging that color in and fading it out on my lips. Now I'm going to go in with Wet n Wild Mega Last Liquid Catsuit in Nudie Patootie. Now I'm going to go back in with that lip liner and just darken it up on the edges. And there you have it. This is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also, subscribe to my channel down below if you have not already, and hit the notification bell right next to it so you get notified anytime I upload a new video. If you have any video requests, please leave those down below in the comment section. I'll get to them as soon as I can. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.